Today we are here to learn a very new thing which is called read PDF text. We will read a PDF and we will just not only read the PDF, we will just copy the content of the PDF and we will just make a notepad file of it with it. So we will copy the content from a PDF, we will extract the content from a PDF and we will make a notepad file or TXT file with it. To do this operation, we need two types of activity. The first one activity is a read PDF text. You can easily find this one, read PDF text. Just drag it there. Once you've dragged the activity here, you will find a file name is required to from which file name it is going to read the data. For giving the file name, we have to just click on this three dots, traverse to the file. I have already kept the file here. I will use the sample file and just press here as open. Let me show you what is the content present in the sample file. So this is the content sample present in a sample file. This data is completely readable and copy, share and anything can be done. So it is not an image based PDF, it is a text based PDF. Let's begin the automation. Just drag this line there. Okay, now in the read PDF you will see an output column is there in which there is a format is text. So we will just Ctrl K and reduce the output data. Okay, that's it, output data. So all the extracted content will be stored in this variable output data. Now if we are going to use it in a, we want to make it a text file with that, we will use write text file. Okay, similarly drag it there. In the write text file, just click on these three dots and provide the file name where we want the output to be present. I want the output to be present here, then give that path and also the name. Say sample PDF 1.txt. Okay. Now in the write text file, I have given the file name, but I have given the input. So I need to provide the input. The input should be the output data, because this output data holds all the extracted content from the PDF. So that extracted data will be the input for this activity. Now save it and run it. Okay, the operation is complete. Let me check there. See, the full content is present in this data. If we go to that data, it's a simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration PDF, blah blah blah, small demonstration PDF, and the end just as well. The end just as well. So all the sheets has been completely read in this PDF. Now this is quite a complete and explanation of read PDF text file. Now if we deep dive into a bit further, we'll see that if there's a content is huge, or this book, this is in number of pages, 289 pages. Now I'm not going to scrape all those data of 289. I just want the scrape to from 11 page to 12 page. So from 11 preface to the 12 page manuscript, I want data in a Word format. We are going to do that. The process is same process, nothing else. Just point it to that folder or that file, Udemy session, this file. Okay, that's done. And in this we have a range called all. Just maintain the page. It's 11 to 12. This is how we provide the page. If there is a password protected PDF, then provide the password here also. Same output data. And in the write text, let me just change the file name and create a new file, say sample PDF. This one is 2. Okay, same thing. Run this file. It will just read the 11 and the 12 sheet. Okay, the run is complete. Let me go to that position. Yes, it has started from preface, okay, and ended it manuscript. If you can check there, yes, See this one, from preface to the manuscript, all the content are present in the on the text format. So this is how we use the read PDF text in UiPath.